Hi Sam. I'm excited to see you today. How are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. What are we learning about today?
We're going to explore the word
dann,
It's a really useful word in
Deutsch,
Oh, interesting. What does it mean?
dann,
means then in English. It's often used to indicate a sequence of events. For example, you might say, I will eat, and then I will go for a walk.
So it's about timing, right?
Exactly. The most common meaning is then, but be careful. It can be confused with,
danach,
which also means after that.
What about the grammar of?
dann,
Is it a noun or a verb?
Great question.
dann,
Is actually an adverb. It doesn't change form, so you don't have to worry about articles or plural forms.
That makes it easier.
Yes, it does. You can use it in many sentences. For example, ich möchte mein Hausaufgaben.
dann,
Gehe ich ins Kino means I do my homework, then I go to the cinema.
So it's always used to connect two actions.
Right. And you can also use it in the past. For instance, ich mache mein Hausaufgaben.
dann,
Ging ich ins Kino, which means I did my homework, then I went to the cinema.
That's really clear. Where does the word
dann,
come from?
dann,
Comes from Old High German. It has been used in
Deutsch,
for many centuries. The meaning has remained quite stable over time, which is interesting.
Wow, I didn't know it had such a long history.
Yes, and it's fascinating how words evolve.
dann,
Reflects a concept that has been important in storytelling and everyday conversation for ages.
Can we break down
dann,
a bit more? Is it possible to analyze its structure?
Unlike some other German words,
dann,
cannot be split into smaller parts, but you can think of it as a simple connector in sentences.
So it just stands alone.
Exactly. You can think of it as a bridge between two actions.
dann,
That I should know.
Yes, there are quite a few. For instance, if we look at words with similar meanings or uses, we have
danach,
which means after that, and
davor,
which means before that.
What else?
We can also mention
danach, zuvor,
for previously. Then there are phrases like
in diesem Fall,
meaning in this case, and
in der Zwischenzeit,
meaning in the meantime.
That's a lot of new vocabulary.
It is. And if we look at adverbs with the same ending, we have
herüber,
meaning over here, and
darüber,
meaning over there.
Can you give me some real-life situations where I might use?
dann,
Sure. Let's say you're at work. You could say, ich mache das Projekt.
dann,
Präsentiere es. Can you repeat that?
Ich mache das Projekt.
dann,
Präsentiere es.
Perfect. Another situation could be at a restaurant. You might say, ich bestell das Essen.
dann,
Ward ich.
Ich bestell das Essen.
dann,
Ward ich.
Nicely done. One more situation could be while traveling. You could say, ich gehe zum Bahnhof.
dann,
Fahr ich nach Berlin.
Ich gehe zum Bahnhof.
dann,
Fahr ich nach Berlin.
Now, let's talk about remembering the gender. Well, since
dann,
is an adverb, there's no gender to worry about this time.
That makes it easy.
Yes. Just remember that it's a connector. You can think of it as a helpful guide through your sentences.
Are there any common phrases with?
dann,
I should know.
Definitely. Some typical collocations are
dann sehen wir weiter,
meaning then we will see,
und dann,
meaning and then, and
dann lass uns gehen,
meaning then let's go. They are. Just remember.
dann,
Is mostly informal.
What about similar words that can be confusing?
Good point. You might confuse
dann,
with,
damals,
meaning back then, or
darum,
meaning therefore. Context is key to understanding which one to use.
Thanks for the heads up.
Let's practice with some example sentences. How about this one?
ich habe den Film gesehen, dann,
Habe ich das Buch gelesen means I saw the movie, then I read the book.
Got it.
Here's another.
wir gehen ins Restaurant, dann,
Essen wir Pizza.
We're gehen ins Restaurant.
dann,
Essen wir Pizza.
Perfect. And one more.
hat seine Hausaufgaben gemacht, dann,
Hat gespielt.
Hat seine Hausaufgaben gemacht.
dann,
Hat gespielt.
Now, let's do a quick recall check. Can you tell me the English meaning of?
dann,
It means then.
Correct. What's one sentence you can make with it?
Ich gehe zum Market.
dann,
Kauf ich Apfel.
Very good. Can you remember an example of a similar word?
Maybe.
danach,
Yes, that's right. What's the gender for?
dann,
There's no gender because it's an adverb.
Exactly. And finally, can you tell me if
dann,
is formal or informal?
It's informal.
Great job, Sam. To wrap up, today we learned about the word
dann.
which means then. We explored its uses, history, and even practiced some sentences together.
It was really interesting. I feel more confident using it now.
I'm glad to hear that. Keep practicing, and you'll see how useful this word can be in conversations.
Thanks, Alex. I'm looking forward to our next session.